Good evening, viewers. Today's topic is about Mullapeyyar Dam of Kerala. It's a great issue. For the last many years, more than 100 years, nobody has taken care of this. The guarantee is completely finished many years back. One thing to understand, people are the asset of the nation. The nation's people completely washed away by natural force or something, natural calamity or man-made calamity. What is the use of Kerala, the name of God's own country? It's famous throughout the world. Most educated people are available here. Why it is so delayed to rectify, to find a solution for this issue between neighboring state Tamil Nadu and Kerala? See, everything has a guarantee. It is man-made. It is made some years back by foreigners. In those days, there was no any solid materials, but in those days, some local material used and built up this. One thing you should understand, from the right beginning, it is located under the water. How it is remained for a long time, maybe the miracle of God. Who is going to rectify this? Who is going to take this responsibility? Is any alien from other worlds or from Mars or somebody come here to do this? So I would like to draw the kind attention of our leaders, authorities, keep aside all files and sort out this issue first. Call immediate meeting, all authorities, and do needful stuff without much delay. It is high time. We waited and waited, but in between our hectic rat race, people forgotten this. But peace-loving people, those who are loving each other, they have some sympathy, mercy, love towards fellow citizens. They are very attached to each other. Sadists are there. Sadists enjoying this. Only people are in Mullapeyyar Dam. Somebody should come forward. A strong action, support, and contact with the central government, and within a few days, it should be taken solid action. Years passed. In between, many government has come and power, and they will take only a solvents. They will take meetings and possession by every government. But after a decision, they forget. Then another month will start June, July. Then the issue raised, LFR issue. What a word. Let us go back and see. It is a man-made water bomb. Years back, when America dropped atom bomb in Hiroshima and Nagasaki, lakhs and lakhs of people died. That's a man-made. This is water bomb. Anytime it may exploit. It affects many districts of Kerala. Kerala's name will be removed, cut off from the history of India. It's a golden name, Kerala. It's a God's own country, land of coconuts. It's a greenish garden of India, Kerala. It's a very remarkable, and we are proud and happy about Kerala. If any foreigners come to Kerala, they can see it's a greenish garden. Blessed by God. Kerala is blessed by God. If any foreigner come to Kerala, they can see hundreds of thousands of coconut palm trees waving the greatest leaves in the breeze. Coconuts are the asset of Kerala, and people are the asset of Kerala. I request all authorities Let's keep other issues aside. Let us concentrate this most important factor about this and save the people of Kerala. This is my humble request for all authorities. Have a nice day.